week number 2 for the December with Mrs. Gigi and Vanessa. And this week we are talking about things that make us think of Christmas on Mrs. Gigi's channel this Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will link her channel in the comment section of this video. So you can join us this Wednesday and Thursday on my channel, but Wednesday at 10 a.m. on Mrs. Gigi's channel and at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel on Thursdays. So we will see you Wednesday, December 9th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please remember, you are where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.